Today's recipe, Soya Chaap two ways. The first one, Malai Chaap, and the second one, Tikka Masala. Let's begin with Malai Tikka marination. First things first, I'm going to add in cheese, regular processed cheese, hung curd, roasted basin, ginger garlic and green chili paste, garam masala powder, grain sugar, salt as required, a little bit of oil, a generous spoonful of dairy cream. Let's mix all of this together. This entire mixture, which is now the Malai marination, is nice and smooth. Once a Malai marination is done and ready, I'm going to divide this into two parts. So we have the first one, which is your Malai marination, and the second one, which is for the Tikka Masala. Some fresh dairy cream, turmeric powder, red chili powder, kasuri methi, some mustard oil. Now this brings in that earthiness, that smokiness, and that tandoor-like flavor. Let's mix this up. A little more salt, like I said, as required. In the first marination, I'm going to add in cardamom, black pepper, freshly crushed, and also in the tikka masala. Mix both the marinations. The hero of our recipe, and that is a soya chap. So I'm going to cut this into pieces like this. 99% whenever you make a marination for a soya chap, always ensure that the flavor profile is slightly on the higher side, because otherwise this is just like a dough wrapped onto a candy stick which is steamed. So here I'm adding in a few, and the remaining ones go into the second marinade. Let's mix this together. The next step is to skewer the Malai Tikka for now. Let's begin with capsicum, onion, so that this does not fall off the stick. Let's turn the flame on and start skewering the remaining ones. And with this, off goes the flame, and your Soya Malai Tikka done and ready. Let's keep this on a resting plate and move on to the next recipe, Soya Tikka Masala. I'm going to begin with mustard oil, remaining petals of onion, capsicum, and let's stir fry this. Once the onions and capsicum are sauteed, I'm going to add in the tikka masala mixture. Our soya chap tikka masala is done and ready, and with this, off goes the flame, and this straight goes in a serving bowl. Finally, some plating. Let's add in a knob of butter, some kasuri methi, some fresh coriander leaves. With this, soya chap two ways, Malai Tikka and Tikka Masala done and ready. Make this for family, make this for friends, and smile always. Bye for now.